how do we calculate the time of suhoor and iftar in countries which have no distinction between night and day?
As far as those countries or those cities which have very long days or short days, or very long nights or short nights, as long as there is clear distinction between day and night, where you can come to know the sunset and sunrise, in these countries they have to observe the same rules of fasting, right from dawn up to sunset. And after sunset, up to the time of dawn, they can eat and drink and approach their wife. But in those countries and those places where there's no distinction between the day and night, where you can't come to know when does the sun rise, when does the sun set, or you have day for days together for more than 24 hours, or you have night for night together, for more than 24 hours. In these places, they should follow the timing of the city or the country which is closest to them, which has a clear distinction between day and night.